Okay, so when Cari got to the Cleveland Clinic, they did a whole battery of tests, and not only did they find a brain tumor, but now we had tumors on the adrenal gland, um, and that's very concerning, and that was probably responsible for her sky-high blood pressures that had us very nervous. And over time, it was discovered that she had, tumors in multiple areas of her body. And over the years now, she's had them in the brain, her eyes, her kidneys, her pancreas, throughout her whole body. And so a lot of the subspecialists at the Cleveland Clinic, discussed her case, and over time thought it was probably von Hippel-Lindau disease, which is a pretty rare condition, a genetic condition that tends to run in families. And it involves exactly what Cari was experiencing, multiple tumors throughout her body, typically slow growing, but still can be very dangerous depending on the location of the tumors and kind of where they're pressing and located. If they're in the brain and pushing on certain areas, can cause big problems. And then there was this question, because we had known that Cari's mom had died from a brain tumor, but we were under the assumption that it was not some sort of a genetic condition. And then all of a sudden, all the bells and whistles started going off, like, well, maybe her mom actually had this condition as well, and that's why she ended up unfortunately succumbing to her brain tumor. Let's see, anything else here? Where am I going? Where am I? Am I lost in my thoughts here?
That's fine.
That's great.
That's perfect.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's take a break from that for a second. Let's talk about her second pregnancy a little bit. Let's talk about when she was pregnant with Alyssa. Was anything different? Was it about the same, or
Sure.
just tell us let me switch my battery,
Yep.
and then let me and then